Your Kali Linux downloads are slow, like painfully slow. Don't worry, in the next 2 minutes, we'll fix it permanently. Slow downloads in Kali usually happen because bad or distant repository servers, IPv6 issues, package manager misconfiguration. Let's fix all of them step by step. So, first step will be changing our repository. So for that, open your terminal and run sudo nano slash etc slash apt slash sources.list and enter your password. And the blog I am using will be provided in the video's description. So for the blog, we will go to blogs.whitefortress.in and we'll copy the commands from here and copy the first, like this line, and remove this line and paste it here and hit Ctrl O, enter Ctrl X. After that, we'll use fast mirror auto selection. For that, enter sudo apt update and sudo apt install net select -apt and hit enter. What net select apt will do is it will find the fastest repository server for you and write it into the file. So you don't have to do anything. And we'll hit enter. Hit Y here and hit enter then. And then we use the command. First, I'm gonna clear the terminal. Okay, so enter net select -apt to run the tool, and it needs root permission. So we'll use sudo !! to run it as root. And now it will take some time. Okay, so now it's done. So it has written the closest repository server, you can say fastest repository server link in our sources.list file. Okay, so now for the maximum speed hack, we'll use apt-fast, but it's not presented in the apt repository, so we will install it the other way. Okay, so this is the link. You can copy it from the blog too and hit enter, and it will take 30 seconds to 1 minute approx. And after that, you can use the apt-fast easily. Okay, now it's installing and it is installed. To verify, we can try apt-fast. And now what we will do is we'll first clean a repository using sudo apt clean and sudo apt-fast update. And now we'll try apt-fast upgrade-y. So how this is faster? Because it will download multiple packages at once. So it will split the packages like in multi downloads. So it will take less time in downloading the file. That's it. Your Kali download should be significantly faster now. If it's still slow, your internet is the bottleneck, not Kali. Follow for more real world hacking and Linux fixes.